this disconnect and that disconnect. And so then on point of interconnection, we can land on the busing up top, which would be the line side of that fuse. Then the load side will come out and heat up these horizontals, which would be the line side of this, and then you head out on the bottom to our solar. But right now we can't do that because they have busing tied from each phase to the horizontal in the back. So if we were able to take out the connection from busing going backwards, that connection piece that goes to the busing horizontal, so we can isolate the two systems. Land our POI on the line side, load side will heat up this line side, load side will heat up the solar.
And that way it's separated.
Those ways separated. And then get a new door that's got a flange on it.
You can, I think you could just buy a flange kit on there or something.
Yeah, and then you drill in and I think.
Rivet it in or whatever.
I think I might have one in my van. I was gonna go look.
Yeah, I know there was something about the test switch in here. Orientation of it.
He said. Yeah, he was saying that he's saying that the holes should be up here and these down here, I believe.
There's some new ones.
But I think you can just flip this.
Yeah. Flip it open. Yeah.
Here's he is. Brooks, here's the
Oh,
team.
Hey guys. Hey. Hey Steve.
How you doing? I'm Dan.
Hey.
Smud.
Hey Dan.
I'm still stuck on the phone.
Oh, Steve and
Sam.
Sam. Okay.
Sean from Green Skies.
Sean. Okay.
Wanda from Smud.
Wanda. All right. And Alex.
She tells me what to do.
Okay. Yep.
Guides me, right?
I'm here.
So, are you familiar at all, since this has all gone on, with some Euserc requirements?
A little bit. So yeah, more so. Well, getting up to speed with Smud. So.
Okay. Does anybody? So this, we've all checked. They're checked for dead. Everything's dead, right? Right. The
It's right here.
You're hot up to this point.
Up to that.
So
To that
yeah, we don't need to get in there anyways. So yeah, we're hot. The protectors are on the both side. We're hot up to here. Then the disconnectors on the blades. Okay. That.
And that's
Yeah.
from that.
Okay. Weird. I switchgear can be in the middle of a room and not attached, and I'm like reluctant to touch anything.
Don't blame you.
But I was just reading some of the Euserc stuff. Like the biggest problem we have in here is that barrier on the bottom, and this one.
Is it between the two? Between the disconnect and the CC section?
This barrier is supposed to be like
That's how.
level with this door. Yeah, and that's all in the. Did you see that already?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know how you can make that work, and then it's got to be a maximum, I think, 3-inch gap between the bus and the barrier.
Okay. Yeah, we were just discussing it. We've become a lot more familiar the last 2 days of all of it.
Yeah,
for sure. But yeah, that is doable. That's one of the things that if you need glastic there, and if you need it between the phases back there, that's doable as well. You're saying 3 inches on the perimeter?
Yep, 3/8.
3/8.
Here, I can show you on my computer.
You probably have a print copy.
Oh, okay. This
No. It's done.
This is a barrier node.
Don't put your finger in it.
Blah blah. Shall not the whole. Let's see. Openings in the barrier. Peripheral gaps around the barrier, cutouts around bus bars, one hole diameter provided for ventilation shall not exceed 3/8 of an inch. The barrier shall be attached with non-conductive fasteners. Did you? You're a manufacturer, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you guys have never had to deal with Euserc at all, being on the East Coast?
Specifically, not Smud. We've done some Euserc. It was kind of closer down, I guess, San Diego County.
Okay.
But
one thing I was wondering about is this maximum and minimum of 11 inches. Maximum from this is a side view here, from the front to the bus. I don't know how far that is. I noticed when I got there to the other site that it seemed like the shelves are kind of far back.
yeah, so like from the front to
the first bus. Yeah. That's why I was asking if it's make sure nothing's energized before we put a measuring.
That's hot all the way down?
Yes, but that blade right there.
Okay. You don't need a meter in there? You got a meter on your truck?
I got one.
Five and 3/4.
How much?
5 3/4.
Oh, from
To the horizontal bus.
yeah. What about the vertical bus? That's the one that's pointing at. Okay.
18.
This is what max is 24.
This is a max of 11. 24 to the rear. Yeah. It's max to. That's why I noticed, like, when we put our CTs in, first thing I noticed is usually the CT shelves are up closer.
So it's a max of 11, the verticals need to be closer.
Right here. This is a side view.
Oh, okay.
So 11 inches
To 11 for this, okay.
for the vertical bus, where the shelves are. For the CT shelves.
Yeah. Okay. They're at 18 right now? I'll take a picture of that.
Yeah.
That's fine, yeah. Yes, 320.
Is this fun?
Oh, great.
That shit.
Just gotta figure out how to
This is serious stuff.
toothpaste back in the tube or
Guys.
buy new toothpaste. Or try not to buy new toothpaste.
Toothpaste is expensive.
Yeah.
I go to the dollar store. Well, it should be the $1.50 store. Is that an impossible ask?
We're gonna disconnect. We gotta disconnect that piece there that's going down. We're gonna disconnect that, and bring this whole unit forward. And just-
So, the thing that pops out of my head are the three things: the socket, which is an easy fix, I think. The barrier. And,
Socket, yeah, we would just replace the door to get a little farther to the right.
We talked about the 90. That's right. I forgot about the 90 degree. If it was on this
So
side.
so we're already planning to just replace that door panel so they can slide farther to the right, get more clearance.
As far
if
as
needed.
okay, and then so with a socket flange, and so
Yeah,
this
and
this
yeah,
won't be
and
here
the ring.
anymore.
Yeah.
Did you get the email that my coworker Malik sent with some pictures of gear that does comply with Euserc, so that you can see kind of what it looks like? I have the pictures here.
Okay.
We have a 10-person chain on our side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
From Epec and Green Skies and me. So our big issues are the socket, the barrier, what was the third one?
The socket, the barrier, and then the CT shelves being moved forward to within 11 inches, 7 to 11 inches, I guess, to the front. That's not it. You move my glasses off.
Don't we also have to separate the busing? So they're kind of like 2 units.
Which one? What are you talking about?
They were talking about the busing that connects the piece that connects the back, the horizontal busing, ties them together.
Oh,
we gotta
okay.
separate them.
Yeah. Here's one that he showed. probably not the best picture because it's got some of these tools and their drink on there. But here's the, they use the finale barrier for this. What's that? You can see that the gap around the bus is kind of small, right?
Yeah.
Wish we had a better picture.
It's fine, yeah. It's not too much of a challenge to redo that.
Oh, no?
area there.
Okay. I can email these.
I got this, Sean.
You
I
do?
got this
Okay.
email. It says, yeah. I can forward the whole email with all the language behind it, what they want.
Perfect, yeah.
The voltage taps as well, and that's in that Euserc, the wording that I shared. Where is it? We're using window type CTs, like some people call them donut CTs, right? That go around that bus. And then we need a voltage reference, right? And that is simply, and that's right here. A 1032 tap attachment for meter wiring shall be provided as follows. A tap on each upper and lower phase bus unit with a 1032 screw and a washer. And one tap on the neutral bus. It says as shown in that picture. What was your name again?
Brooks.
Brooks, do you want me to?
Running
I can
sheet,
send
yeah.
you these.
I got that. So,
Your email or something. No, the neutral.
here.
Yeah, we're going to daisy chain across the CTs and then. Selling, what is it, Pollyanna? Like, make everything sound great. But the good thing is that this is solar and it's not a revenue metering service because we're way more strict on revenue metering.
Yeah.
Just safe. Well, we want to make sure it's safe no matter what. But with revenue metering, we just have to make sure the customer can't get in there and tamper with stuff or have access to.
Gotcha.
That's why I'm not too worried about the sealing of this because they'd just be stealing from themselves.
Yes, correct.
You know, so.
So 10-30 seconds tap on the bus.
On the upper and lower portion of the bus,
Mm-hmm.
below the CTs.
Yeah.
In this case, the CTs are going to be the polarity is going to go towards the solar. It's going to be backwards.
Go that way.
Yeah. From usual. Do you want me to see if I have one of those flanges, or are you just going to get a new door with the flange on it?
We're going to get a new door with flange,
Okay.
and we know that the ring wasn't on that one as well.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, we'll get a new door. Yeah, and if you can let us know the how long that actual meter is, so how long it'll protrude from the front.
Yeah, I don't have much.
Yeah,
7 inches.
we're going to be installing brand new meters in the next couple of years, and they're pretty small compared to the old one. But let me see. I got one. Oh, we locked it up. Do you want me to go get one, or I can?
grab it
We can
afterwards.
when we leave, I can measure it for you. Or
Yeah,
whatever.
that's perfect. Yeah.
So Sam, let's walk through your idea of how to do the fixes. And make sure that Dan and Brooks agree with the idea and then also the process.
Interconnection conductors being down
That's
the road.
from the other.
We get those up here, the top side of the vertical busing, that disconnect the link that connects the horizontal
Yeah.
busing back there. So now we utilize
Yeah,
up here.
I think so.
CTs here. From the load side that disconnects, run conductors.
What would you need on the back?
What's that?
What would you need on the back for the disconnects? or
Disconnect the busing from the horizontal.
okay.
What would I need?
You said you're gonna move.
I'll remove this piece.
Yep.
That's gonna disconnect this busing from the horizontals back there. So that way I can isolate our point of interconnection, CT section, from everything else in here.
Gotcha.
And then off the load side here, we'll run conductors over to the busing on the line side of this.
Okay.
Disconnect. So again, we'll disconnect the link from these. The busing here, there's a link that's going to the horizontals at the back. We'll disconnect that. So that horizontal busing in the back is more or less just going to be spare parts. And then that way we're, you know, if you turn off this disconnect, everything will turn off. You turn off that disconnect, everything this way turns off. We'll be isolated. Right now, we can only land our conductors on the load side. So, like on that one there, with our coordinate interconnection on the bottom, even with that disconnect off, the fuses are still hot, so we can't replace the fuses of service or anything like that.
And then on the CTs, you know, if we slide those forward,
Mm-hmm.
slide that whole
Yep.
thing forward. Yeah, you need new copper sections up there. We're gonna disconnect it anyway.
Yeah.
Slide the whole thing.
I think we slide the whole thing, yeah, there, but where do we certainly use isolators for support?
Yeah, there's vertical struts down there. There's about 8 different options. So just like that. Yeah, vertical struts, and there you can see the combination of holes up there.
And then on this side, we can remove the outside side panel.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna get our design guy on here too, just to make sure anything he sees.
Yeah, 'cause I don't know. This one holds us.
Hey man. Hey, so we got the guys with Hunter Energy here, got some recommendations. You got a second to get on the FaceTime and just kind of show you, hey, this is what the plan is going forward.
Yeah.
Just make the modifications right here.
Sure, but that one, just get us.
Okay, all right.
How do you deal with that? Round usually that slides with that
All right.
white bar.
Okay.
Slide with that, remove that horizontal. Yeah.
Right forward.
Yes.
So we can get 7 to 11 inches.
Okay. All right, perfect.
This busing here, the A phase, and short that over some.
You didn't drill the holes.
Okay.
For those 4, that bolt pattern right
Yeah,
there?
we get further here.
Yeah.
Hey Ed. Hey, so yeah, we're just gonna just show you real quick what the guys' recommendation on the field, mainly around that CT cabinet. Let's see. Just see if you any red flags from our end. Flip this thing around. All right. All right. Who's the guy who was just talking to?
Sam.
Sam. Okay.
All right, yeah. So you can turn your phone around. Oh, the other way.
Oh, okay. All right.
So pull it back.
Yep.
We come in on the bottom side here, and we tap down here.
Alright, so right now, our point of interconnection is on the load side of these fuses. And so, even with the distance switch in the opposition, those fuses are still hot. So we gotta get our COI conductors onto the top side of this disco. And so my thought is to remove this link that goes to the horizontal busing in the back. slide the CT vertical busing forward and put our point interconnection on the top here. And now this will be the utility section, CT section. And then we'll come off the load side of our fuses here, the conductors, to the second section, the customer section. We'll do the same process here. It's going to remove the busing that links this piece of bus bar to the horizontals at the back. We need to isolate this disconnect from that disconnect. And then from the load side of the utility disconnect, that will feed the line side of the customer disconnect right here. We just got to remove that busing. And then our solar will remain on the load side of this disconnect. So that way we have a distinction between the utility and the customer section. We have to disconnect the busing here from the busing here.
Is that making sense? Does it look doable in the field with what we've got? Yeah.
You're actually not isolating the. So you said the load side of the other disconnect has to come to the top side of the line side of the.
Yes. Yeah, so that way, because right now our point of interconnection is on the load side. So even with this disconnect in the opposition, the fuses are hot. So if our point of interconnection conductors come into the line side of the busing here, and I turn this disconnect off, I can service everything below downstream from this. So the only energized section in this entire piece of equipment would be up here in the utility CT, which is locked off with utility locks. And then on the load side of this utility disconnect, everything downstream will be turned off when that switch is in the opposition. Right now, that's not the case. All this right down here is still hot. We can't have that. So if we remove what our conductors on the load side now, move them to the busting on the line side, and then the load side of this disconnect, we could run conductors to feed the bus bar here. And so when that disconnect on the left over there is off, all this is de-energized. This is the customer section. We can service, the fuses or any other components in here. But in order to do that, we have to remove. Let me see. There's a piece of bus bar right here that's run to the back of the equipment that attaches to the horizontal busing in the back. We have to disconnect that so we can isolate this from that.
And then Ed, on our end, I didn't see any issues, but wanted to double check with you on basically sliding all of those vertical CT bars plus forward about 6 inches. So just involved, changing all those vertical struts in the frame. In order for them to do that, that's absolute necessary. So yeah, that'll involve also sliding all of these vertical CT busing forward about 6 inches. So it looks like enough options to, change all of these, sliding all of this whole section here forward about 6 inches. Punch it, get some of that copper into there.
No.
So remove some parts and add some parts.
Yeah. I mean, you know more than I would. That's for sure. Yeah, the barrier is that's a safety thing. Drop crap in there or whatever.
Right. And right now,
there's actually, I think, supposed to be a side barrier. I didn't see it in Euserc, but that's more or less because. Sorry.
Answer your question again. As our designer. Go ahead.
If we remove that and move those, the vertical bus right on top of the disconnect, is that too far forward, or do we only need to move it 6 inches?
So let me see if I understand it correctly. Are we talking about this here?
Yeah, no, I was. I know there's tons of people in there.
That's gonna be too far forward. We have to be
There's
within
one
7 and
key
11
barrier
inches
I
of
want them to
elevation.
install too.
And I
It's
believe this
on
right
the
now
side.
is
It's
5.
supposed to divide the two sections up. So that's an easy one.
Right, Dan? We have
This
7 to
part.
11 inches for the.
Yeah.
Okay.
This part has to be between 7 and 11, right? Yeah.
Oh,
So that measurement there needs to be between 7 and 11.
Okay. Alright, so if we slide it forward, okay.
Yeah, I was thinking
It's gonna conflict. Yeah, it will conflict with the disconnect terminations. That's correct. They will conflict.
Well, we put the button right in front of the new hole. Yeah.
I think because
We
there's
need to
been lots
disconnect that
of
in,
sites
there's
where
real new
we've got
holes
here.
right next to the disconnect. So say if we cut forward 7 inches, it's gonna conflict.
It's already
with that
done, and then
termination.
you gotta come in and try and.
What's our measurement from
Smud's
here
required.
to just past that?
That's a lot better.
Just past the
At
hole.
least
So that's 7 inches there, we gotta go to 11.
With them, they're just like,
Move back to 11 inches.
Yeah, I wonder if it's because Smud's like,
Put the number 11 on the.
I mean, they don't pound this on us in the winter, but
So right there, it's using busing, backside that busing, Rancho.
and meter technicians are one of the few people that actually see our customers out the field, right? I mean, you go to residential services and all that,
Yeah.
so.
be creative, simple.
So they took me away from residential because they figured I'm not. I don't do a lot.
Not
of
customer
residential.
facing.
Yeah.
Sam,
Yeah.
add a side barrier, separate two carriers.
That'd be an easy one, right? The side, yeah. Yeah.
Make it pretty much 2 minutes.
Yes. Yep.
Yeah, we say, yeah, we can take this off if we have to.
Yep.
All right, yeah, and of course, all this plastic's gonna have to be moved up.
That we need to go up to the
to
other one. It's exactly the same. The only
that
thing different is on the
clearance.
backside there's all conductors instead of.
Yeah, we just need some real
We're
fishing
gonna
connect.
do it.
Creates gap around everything.
Everything down to one intersection.
And then, of course, that's the
Yeah,
tap
and
in
that's
for
over there. That's on the
CT,
CT.
10 and 30-second taps.
The main thing is the safety.
Both sides of the
Yeah.
CT.
Yeah.
Is there a thickness of the material
Line side and loop side.
required for the barrier in between? I just need to.
Rip the rip
Does
there.
that all sound doable? Yeah, we need barriers in this whole section to separate the two sections of this wall.
It doesn't say,
Just
but
a barrier in there.
you could look, well, this one would have a barrier. Actually, this would be a good example.
This section you want to do?
This.
Okay.
Well, no, I can, just the wing nuts.
Dan,
One
is there a need to have a top barrier as well, or no?
Huh?
Is there a need to have a top barrier?
No. What do you say top barrier? What do you mean?
We're gonna land on the high side,
Uh-huh.
on the top. Do you want a barrier between that and your meter section?
Got it.
I don't think so in this case because it's solar and I'm not, yeah.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, that's yeah, and of course, every time the meter, socket opening, and everything, we're putting in before, anyway, that all sets a lot, that will be some measurements, yeah. Yeah, no, that's at the other site. Yeah, that, the doorstop is at the second site, at the Citrus site. Y'all familiar with that one too? Or not?
They are.
Okay.
I think that's where the pictures originated from, was
Yeah.
from that project.
Yeah, that's what the door stuff and stuff is.
Yeah, I don't know if you want to show that guy. I mean,
Yep.
you have on the phone, but
Let me go, yeah.
careful. This is 277 interguise, but you can see how close the shelves are to the front.
Yep.
And you can see the barrier on the bottom, the barrier on the side.
Mm-hmm.
You can see the taps.
Yep, there's the taps there, Ed.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it needs to be on the fixed bus, not on the removable link, right?
Yes.
On both top and bottom.
For ours, you were saying it would need to be on top
Yeah,
and
I
above.
mean, it's part of the requirements.
Yeah.
I think we can make it work either way. So
Okay.
Is that challenging for you to do?
it's just a tap.
I'm just asking if we're having to redesign some of those pieces here to fit up on site, then we can go ahead and add those holes here.
Mhm. We'll pre-punch it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then also, like I said, that side barrier, vertical one, just to divide the sections. Yeah.
What is
I'll
your
get-
lead time on these fixes if we get this approved?
Hey, Ed, you can see that side barrier as well, back there. I'll get a good picture of it too when I get off.
The end of the day, maybe.
Hey, question on lead time. Guys are asking here.
I guess is all this gonna be the same for Rancho, or this is Rancho? Is it will it be the same for both sites?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this, we're at Rancho, this will be the same for Citrus.
Okay. So on this one, you haven't made any cable connections to the load side?
No, we're all completed and done here. So we're gonna have to disconnect. We're already completed and done with the work here. So we're gonna have to turn it all off and do another shutdown, disconnect it, so we can
Okay.
get the work done.
Okay.
You guys good in here? Yeah.
I was going to take a quick picture.
Oh yeah, no problem.
I'll go. Alright. Let's see.
This one is not long. Yeah, I don't want money. Yeah, I don't want money, but that's
All right. Any other questions, Ed?
We gotta get this done.
Hey Dan, do you have a card? I can
I
send you
do.
an
In
email.
my van, I'll get
They
it.
haven't given me my cards yet, so.
Okay.
And you just send me whatever you sent to Brooks.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah, Green Skies folks are here. I'll double check them. Most of their stuff has come out.
So that, all that's gonna get removed unless I got pulled out. The tap. The one that's. Cause right before we can get, and then. It's down there.
But it sounds like with, guys moving the cables and trying to get this done, that will resolve a lot of these other issues. Still won't have to move the disconnects.
Well, I know, but that's what
All right.
We're gonna have the same kind of photo of this. I have my girl be out this photo. This one, this one, it's out here, and put the barrier here. This will give you a small test version.
No. They're gonna make more. Just get the clear.
I've got
Guess what? A week, 2 weeks on that caliber. We have Okay.
After gear shock, it's been pretty much a day. Like just sit on the
Yeah. Here, we would need,
But the lower this. That should not be.
Yeah. You guys eat in there?
No.
Okay.
All right.
I know sometimes those things will install stuff.
Yeah. Okay. Yep. Yeah, he's got one here. I'm gonna measure when we get done.
Yeah.
All right. Sure thing. All right. Bye-bye.
Where's your guys' facility?
North Carolina.
Okay.
Yeah, I just want to get Ed. Ed was the one who personally designed the majority of this.
Oh, is that Ed on the
That was Ed. Yeah. He knows most every nut and bolt in there. So.
Okay.
You have to lower it.
We got some lower, we still got that bar across the top. That's taking up a couple inches. Ray, what's out here?
You're with Green Skies, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
All
Brooks,
right.
I'm Sean. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Got a buddy in
This is-
Raleigh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where does the aqua power come from? Inside?
Is this resolving Kristen's questions or concerns that she had?
I'm taking detailed notes.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm just gonna
All right.
relay it to her. I'm relatively new at Green Skies,
Oh,
so
okay. Yeah, we're gonna.
But yeah.
We'll put a couple breaks.
She's all over this.
Whoever y'all are answering to with that. Yeah, how that works.
yeah.
That sounds like by them moving the cables and that resolves the disconnect height issue.
Oh.
There and then the elastic
Yep.
barrier.
Sounds like we got the meter socket figured out.
Some of the stuff looks like
Brooks, would you
take a long
guys say
ass
on
time.
that?
You guys are like, no problem.
We couldn't get a firm commitment because part of it's depending on the
Yeah,
meter
it
too.
would.
Like I'm guessing 2 weeks. And
Yeah, because we got the big hurdles are going to be scheduling the shutdown, and then if we can get that scheduled in the next week or two, we'll see how that goes.
right.
I think
And then
so.
we got this gear. You got to come back out and do your fixes.
Yeah.
We got to shut down, pull our wire out, and get out of their way. Turn the store back on. Do your fixes.
But that-
Then I got to get this thing reinstalled, turn back
So you
on
probably
by
should
the
get
1st of December.
Correct. First of December.
Hurricane until we shut it down.
Times 2.
Times
Both
two.
stores.
Yeah.
Both stores by December 1st.
Man, when they,
So it's gonna
they're
be
gonna correct it, right?
all hands
You
on
guys-
deck, it sounds like.
I think that's a conversation.
Okay. So,
Yeah, I believe so.
how long would it be? Would the shutdown be for?
The first shutdown,
Oh, we'll do
just
that.
connect.
Oh, just to disconnect.
Yeah.
it.
Just,
Okay.
yeah, you just
all
gotta
right.
shut down the thing, shut down that
Safe
for.
all connectors
Yeah.
off. Would be an hour and a
Well,
half,
it was,
maybe.
yeah, we'll just pull all our stuff out of there, so that can go back on, the store's back live and running.
Yeah.
Then we'll fix all this junk,
Yeah.
and then do one more shutdown to reconnect.
Yeah.
So the shutdowns won't be very long.
No. Even the interconnections are very
Yeah.
safety.
Probably the easiest interconnection we've done.
Don't say that.
You guys work typically Monday through Friday.
We said that the last time.
I know.
If we have to, we'll change that to get this done for these guys.
Yeah.
But we gotta,
Yeah, we'll have our A-team here to move the bus and all that. Do the plastic, put barriers
how
in.
long is your work in the field, do you think?
I think they can do a day per unit.
Okay.
If
Then once they do
everything-
that,
if everything's-
we're a
if
couple
everything's
days, probably
here.
a day.
We'll shut down in a couple days.
We have a couple days.
Because we gotta-
We'll have a couple of days because we got to rearrange this
Rearrange
conduits
this
and get those moved up to the top. So we got to lower the plunger box. So he can have a couple days.
Is there any way that we can
We gotta pull
expedite?
it out.
Yeah. Because the shutdown, it's just us.
It's just scheduling it, but the SIA does it through line, and I don't know, like,
Who is it?
Chantel.
Oh.
She does it through line design, the scheduling, so I don't know what they have, like, on their schedules right now. I don't know how many jobs, but we can ask her to
Please,
start
Yeah.
working on.
Tell her it's an emergency.
It's emergency.
So what do you think?
Anytime, any day.
If we talk to Lowe's and we say, run the generator for an hour, and we're gonna come in here and do this, and if Smud can't shut it down? Okay. That's the one option. Yeah, yeah. we'll
They have
hold
some.
everything.
They have some kind of transfer switch somewhere. It's
This
just.
is all electrical inside.
Oh.
Do you want to run that? We come in the middle of the night. If they want to run that.
Yeah. I wonder how often they run this thing or test it.
Second.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Is that run the whole store inspections?
Utilities are pretty.
Oh, we still got
Well, that's not
yeah, we
done.
need,
No,
no, we
utility
need,
was
we
done.
need to start.
So we got that shut.
We got that.
Okay, so I'll work with Wanda and Dan and Chantel. Maybe probably sounds like Wanda and Chantel. See.
Yeah.
All right. Did you walk through one last time with your design with Dan? Make sure he's 100% on board.
Sure. Okay. So for the interconnection, our conduits are moving up to the top. Busing from there down across that big Z is going to come out, so we're going to make our point interconnection here. They're going to slide this forward, so
Yeah.
where we're done a 7 and 11 inch tolerance. That's going to disconnect. This will be utility only. And
Yeah.
after that point, it's customer.
Yeah.
So we are going to have customer conductors on the bottom side that disconnect.
That's fine.
Going to the top side of this busing over here. There will be a barrier in between, so that's going
Yep.
to separate utility and customer. Z brackets in the back there are going to get removed. We'll use this busing here to do our conductors from load side to line side. So now if you turn off that disconnect, everything in the customer's off. We can service our creases and whatnot.
Yeah, okay, perfect. Yeah.
Sam,
I don't know, quick question on your,
Yeah, what is this box for?
That, good question. What's that box for? Is that for access to wheels right there?
Your tools?
Ray went in there. We have to take that out too. Those are extra parts that came with it.
I want to make sure that you're.
Yeah.
Don't work some photos, Sam. I'm gonna have you and Terry draw it up. Yeah.
Yeah, my main focus is on, well, the cabinet portion, but making sure we can isolate it if we can. Yeah. So we're good.
so drawing 327, we're good to go on the clearance piece. 327, clearance for opening.
Shall we? Which port? You point to me where? Are you talking about?
For the width opening?
Oh, yeah. As a matter of fact, what year is that's 125? Okay. There's been some subtle changes over the years, but
Okay. Yeah.
yeah, that's fine. What is it now?
Well, it's 30 here. It's 30, but what do you count the opening? It's 30.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
There.
That's not a concern.
Quick question, Sam. So, you guys are landing that back there. We anticipating needing these horizontal pieces to be longer, going custom.
I think those are going to be removed.
Okay.
Yeah, those ones up top.
That's what you're totally removing those. Okay.
Yep,
So
yes.
all that's totally isolated. Back
Yeah,
there.
that's all going to be obsolete by
Yeah.
this is all done. So the ones in the back horizontal, obsolete. The vertical is there, obsolete. And then so the 4 bolts we have up there, that's where I'm thinking we're going to terminate. So those are our conductors.
Okay.
And so
You're going to terminate on the back of that, on those holes.
Right there.
Yeah.
Those right there, yeah.
On these holes.
These holes
Yep.
right here,
Yeah.
we're going to terminate.
Okay.
And that piece,
Gone.
the long one going down, the back, that big Z bracket, essentially, that whole assembly is coming out. So we're going to be left with this vertical right here.
That's
and
it.
we're going to terminate on these bolts.
Okay.
We have three conductors,
Oh, yeah.
so we can do
Back to back.
back to
and
back in the single.
Back to the single.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why we're gonna have to maintain
Yeah.
this. Because that's gonna support everything. So when we slide that forward, we're gonna get through that.
Yeah. All right, so you'll need these to support basically the CT bus and our terminations up there.
Yep.
Terminations up there.
Mhm.
Okay, so if we're sliding this forward, yeah. So we need to basically rebuild, to leave that, all that insulating support in place. I guess we could just disconnect from here,
You don't have
leave
to
that in
disconnect
place.
it.
Slide, make the break here, we could add another section here to do insulating supports this way. Okay. So we can leave that in place, make the break there, add that if we need to for other support, but basically leave that in place, that'll work for y'all.
that won't work there. But if you're landing, okay. I guess you could land there even with this copper sandwiched in.
Yeah.
That'd be the strongest way to leave it. Okay.
With that isolation, we don't need that bar.
We don't need that bar.
All you need is a channel that hold those isolation bar.
Another channel here.
Oh, I thought you said you needed to land
No,
here.
no, we don't need.
We're gonna land our connectors here, but we don't need this
We
bar.
don't need that bar.
To land them. We just need the bolts.
We just need the one
And we
those
can have a land on this.
on that.
Land there. We don't need.
Okay.
We don't need all that.
Okay. You take this off.
Correct.
Take that off. You'll land here.
Right.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
So all you need is a bar that
So your cables would basically be on this position here.
coming from the back.
Coming from the back. They'll be in this here. So you don't need any other support coming in back there for your
As long as
cables.
we got this, we'll be good.
Okay.
Yeah, the slide bracket.
The side bracket.
Okay. Just as I'm talking now,
Yep. So we'll just separate that,
Correct.
take that out, and we'll slide all that.
Correct.
Yep. Yeah. I'll get right there on the screen.
Center that freaking isolation to 9 inches. You got something like
And for Dan, it had to be 7 to 11 from the front flange,
yeah. So
from the front of the enclosure in essence.
if we put that isolation bar at 9 inches, that's gonna be center of that whole thing. You're between that 7 to 11.
Sorry, say that again. What was that again?
If we put this new bar 9 inches from here, that's that
Yeah.
right here.
That'll get you
That'll
perfect.
give you the in between 7 to 11.
Yep. That'll line you up perfect.
That line it up perfect. Because this is about 4 inches here, 2 inches here, 2 inches back. So this right here, center of this goes to 9 inches. That will give you exactly what you need.
9 inches from here.
Yes.
Yeah, it's going to complete with that if we go 9.
Now we're gonna put a new holes in there.
I'm talking about it and for the disconnect here. Y'all going to do no holes there?
New holes.
Really?
Because I don't think you can use those. You're too far. You're too far. 'Cause right now you're only. See right there.
Checking clearances, make sure we move that assembly.
So if we can go, if we go 11,
to 11
it won't
inches.
conflict with them.
11 is the max.
Yeah,
So
so we can do 11.
So nine-
And even these, because of the current, we only have to have 2 of these landed, we don't have to land 4.
So we can trim that up.
Yeah.
To come forward a little bit more. Okay.
that's 11 right there. And then in the minimum 11 right there. So 7 inches
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah, so that 4-bolt assembly on top of the disconnect and turn it into a 2-bolt assembly. Give us a couple inches.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we can just take that whole unit and slide it towards us.
Right, but hopefully you're not we don't need to change this. That's a heck of a lot of work.
No, we're not changing
Okay.
that.
Which one are you trimming? Those
Trim
ones.
this.
Okay. Oh, yeah. And then,
We can land those here.
yep.
2, 2.
Yep.
Well, not the neutral, but 2, 2, and 2. We go 9. We can trim that off.
Yeah.
Down there. Yeah.
You gotta watch that because some they ask for a full
4.
length of those splices. This part right here. They usually want full. You gotta ask.
It'll
him
be
if
the
they're
full
allowed.
length, but we're just gonna
No, I mean
like this.
he's gonna cut it, trim that. He wants to trim this to get it here.
Right. And then we can put 2 more bolts on top of it. So we use the top 2 bolts, and then 2 more on top. So we hop in there.
We could do it either way. We can redo all of this to land them, but ampacity wise,
We're up
2 is
Okay.
acceptable for
Okay.
UL and everybody else.
Because this is a 1200 amp.
Yeah. And then
Something's different.
Yeah.
if we do if we keep the 4-bolt assembly and we just, if we take this, use these 2 top bolts, put in bus fillers, and then we put 2 more right there. Now we have, it'll be 2, 4, 6, but it'll be 4 on that piece.
Right.
You know, 4 on that piece and 6 total. Yeah. Put some bus filler right there so we can get our full 4 bolts.
Yeah.
I made $3.96 an hour back then.
Either way.
Yeah. It's, I think it's very doable.
Because I know they are.
Yeah.
They like that.
Good plan. There we go. Yeah. Good plan. Yeah, if we could do that, use those top bolts, put bus fillers in there, and then add 2 more on top of that, and that'll make it real rigid. And yeah, everybody will be happy. Done about 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Don't forget, you got to get your guy a measurement for the clearance for the meter. And I think he wants to know about the barrier that's going to move up to the height of the door. I think Dan's going to take us out and show us actually what a meter looks like.
Yeah. Yeah.
Jumping early, so I didn't do anything this morning.
24 years? I wish I started earlier, and I didn't buy my 5 years like an idiot. At one point, we could buy 5 years of service.
Oh, you could.
And it was going to cost me $81,000. I was with my ex-wife. We were broke. I'm like, nah. Yeah. Anyway, so I would be retired right now.
I bet you a Folsom like Ford probably did in 2000.
That one over there off of
Folsom Boulevard, right by the freeway.
that was yours?
Yeah, Folsom
Okay.
Ford and Folsom like Kia.
Yeah.
A long time ago.
Yeah, that was a challenge too.
It was.
Yeah.
Really tight gear there, really tight. You know where
Yeah.
to put it. If you were as big as my house closet, we had to find the gear next to it. It was a really complicated process.
And you guys just wired from, you just did the AC portion, right, of that?
We did the whole thing.
Oh, you did? Okay.
DC and AC.
Okay. I'm thinking of a different one then. That was, yeah, anyway.
All the
I don't know, there's so many jobs.
all the Rayleighs to do with you.
Yeah, yeah. You think we're good? Oh,
I think a quick question
Yeah.
for you on this plastic support. So like, you want this height, needs to be this height, correct? But this plastic
Yeah.
support needs to be this
Yeah,
height,
yeah.
right? And does it need to go under
no.
this?
No.
Okay.
Can it go above it?
Well, we can do it either way. Yes, it can go above it, but this is all gonna slide forward. We're gonna redesign this anyway. So
Okay.
we're gonna either redesign it to go above this or below it.
Yeah. I mean,
Doesn't matter.
no. Is it just, there's no terminations in there, it's just
Full
for
point.
bending, okay.
You're good.
What job are you guys going to after this?
I'm in Pleasanton, or San Ramon right now, and after that we got one in Placerville.
Is that Placerville?
Yeah, Plaza.
Ooh,
And then
that's
we
easy.
have-
That's close.
For me,
Whoa, whoa,
20
whoa,
minutes.
whoa, whoa, whoa.
That's my project.
Where's your home? Where is
Rescue.
it? Oh, okay.
Can we put the
We got Red Bluff, we got Colorado Hills.
Wow.
He's Pleasanton.
good.
Oh yeah.
Oh, God.
It's going to be doing better.
Yeah.
We got a bunch of Rayleighs coming
Oh,
up.
really?
Oh, yeah.
Where's your home be? Where do you?
Fairfield.
You live in Fairfield?
Yeah.
Okay.
Halfway to San
Oh, he
Francisco.
got it easy. All he did is just go.
Yeah.
Give him a hard time.
Thinking about moving up here by you guys in Sacramento. Need to find a wife, man. I want to go get a spot in Midtown and start looking.
Where's Steven?
He just had a baby on Sunday.
Oh, so it's, I see.
Yeah, so I'll be around. He doesn't have any formal leave, but they're just giving him
Okay.
a deficit so
What do
he
you think of
can,
the,
like 2
do
weeks.
you guys in North Carolina get seasonal weather, or is it usually warm there?
We do. We actually get about three and a half seasons.
Okay.
3.5.
What was it like when you left?
It was, well, at night it's in the 50s, I guess.
Is it humid there?
70s. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's one thing we don't have very much.
Fourth most humid place in the country.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Even this time of year?
It backs off. Summer is just like
Oh, yeah.
it's 70-80% humidity.
Mm.
Yeah, that's what gets most people.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, even we're just not used to it here, so.
Yeah, we're still t-shirts during the day, jackets this time of year.
Yeah.
We might get one snow, but we're back east, so you have to worry about the hurricanes when they come up. So.
Yes. Yeah.
Dan sees 115, 116 in the summertime.
Here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Very rarely that
Very
high,
rarely.
but
Bakersfield and Reading will hit those numbers.
yeah.
The tips of the valley.
Yeah, Red Bluff, and yeah.
But very low humidity. So,
It's like negative humidity.
Ours will get about 105, 106 with 80% humidity. Yeah, I'm going there Friday egg on the car.
that's
Solar, as long as it's safe. Yeah.
That's a steam bath. I think I'm good.
Okay.
Do we need to go over to the other site?
I think we make the exact same fixes, right?
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Same cabinet
Yeah.
doors, same everything. There was a stopper over there or something?
I want to go by it just to check. Yeah, there's a stopper, right? Because when it opens up in the other equipment, there's a door stop, and anyway, that's could potentially affect the meter clearances and stuff.
I can go over there if you want. You want me to head over?
It's the other gear. The other gear is about 12 inches away from it.
So you can't open this door far enough
can't.
to. What's it gonna
It's
have?
just fine. Just the gear. The switch gear was here. That one.
Okay.
No.
So,
Yeah, that's good enough.
because the switch gear for that one, and the inner
It's
connection
actually
now,
supposed to be
that right there
42
is
inches
about
out from
right
the
here.
front for 277.
Yeah.
They have
But-
this can open for it there. Like that, exactly.
All right. Yeah, I just wanted to see it. Just pictures don't always do it justice, so I was gonna take a. I mean, I don't necessarily need anybody else to go by there unless y'all want to, but.
It's the same.
You come all the way from Carolina, we might just go over there.
Yeah.
It's only 15 minutes away.
I'd rather
Be
know
safe
now.
than sorry.
Yeah.
We'll get Dan a nice Christmas gift this year. Everybody a nice Christmas gift this year.
Yeah. Wanda's the one.
Wanda, what do you drink? Wanda? Did you get these photos on our company camera? If I need Carrie to draw that up. Or you get to draw it up on your phone. You need a new phone, bud? Thing's tiny.
It's my pocket.
it's the best kind.
So funny. I buy all the work shirts. I need pockets on them. Oh, now I get it. Now I get it. Pull back.
Oh, I got that. The whole thing? What's the date?
You wanna
We're
draw
gonna
that
we
and
put
that we need.
high-end meters in
So again?
telemetry.
Okay.
So there's gonna be all of our our RTU and all that are gonna be in there, and yeah, so that. Yep. It's not a smart meter. It's
I thought it was a smart meter.
these meters cost about $6,000 a piece.
Can we take this box out of here?
Yeah.
I think reason
they got
we need
us,
to have that in there.
you know.
What's up, y'all? And others,
Probably not worth
like
that much
instructions for
money,
the
but they
bolt
charge
switch
us
and
that
stuff
much.
like that.
Okay.
In there. We're gonna take that out, so we got more working clearance in there.
Yeah.
Get this rearranged in a couple minutes.
On our thing? Yeah. We can't do it, they're refrigerated. So when they do that, then we'll come back in and follow.
Okay.
At some point, Dan Brooks needs a measurement of that meter just to get control.
Yeah. Thanks, Sean.
Yeah.
How do y'all say it, Sean?
Schwan. That's the East Coast way, right? It's Sean Connery, like SEAN, so it's the Irish way. So it's definitely not Schwan.
Oh, sorry. Thank you, Wanda.
So you didn't say much, but that was the most important piece right there.
Yeah, this is the biggest tool we have nowadays.
Can you send me that address of Citrus?
Yeah.
It's gonna load.
Another Lowe's Citrus. Lowe's where?